Top 5 DIY Remedies Revealed, Effortless Acne and Pimples Solutions. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 DIY remedies for acne and pimples that you can easily try at home. So let's dive right in. Remedy 1, Tea Tree Oil. Tea tree oil is known for its antibacterial properties that can help fight acne-causing bacteria. Simply dilute a few drops of tea tree oil with water, soak a cotton ball, and gently apply it to your clean face. Remedy 2, Honey and Cinnamon Mask. Honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture, while cinnamon has antimicrobial properties. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, apply it to your face, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then rinse off. Remedy 3, Lemon Juice. Lemon juice acts as a natural exfoliant and helps reduce redness and inflammation. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into a bowl, dip a cotton swab into it, and apply it to your pimples. Remember to avoid sun exposure as lemon juice may increase sensitivity. Remedy 4, Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe Vera Gel is soothing and has anti-inflammatory properties. Take a fresh aloe vera leaf, slice it open, and extract the gel. Apply it directly to your face and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing off. Remedy 5, Baking Soda Scrub. Baking soda helps exfoliate dead skin cells and unclog pores. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with water to form a paste. Gently massage the paste onto your face in circular motions, then rinse off with warm water. Those were the top 5 DIY remedies for acne and pimples. Give these a try and say goodbye to your skin woes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Bye for now.